Let's take a stick and see if we can see anything. Is there any life down here? It's been kind of cold out. Stirring the stew. Let's go down to the bottom and kind of dig up. See if we see anything. Exploring little crevices. Don't really see anything moving, but an interesting hand-size habitat. Every time I come to the base of this little tree, I just love to look into this little habitat. Isn't this a gorgeous little hangout for a critter? Check that out. And then an exit hole over here. Hardly gets much better than that. Wow, that's cool. And cute. And quaint and beautiful all at the same time. Let's go check out this little stump hole, possibly. That's kind of cool. Lots of gumballs in there. Lots of sticks, leaves. I guess it's just not warm enough yet to see much living stuff, but it's still pretty cool. Okay, let's try this one more time with some light mates. Let's try one more time. Ooh, here's some weapons sounding off. Are you seeing anything down in there? Some moist stuff, huh? Let's turn the camera around and let's go this way now. What about that way? Can you see anything up in there? Ooh, goes up a little bit further than I thought, maybe. Interesting. This hollow tree looks like it may be hollow for a way up inside. So let's go in and let's see if we can see anything. What is that? You seeing anything? What's that over there? I can't tell. Can you tell me what it is?